Hi and welcome to my video. My name is Kevin Ebsworth and today we're going to be talking about the new changes that are coming into the email marketing world. Now, many of you have heard that Gmail and Yahoo are cracking down on spam emails now to try and protect your accounts a bit more, which is really good in that respect, but it's going to make things a lot harder for hitting your emails into the inbox. And now they're saying if you're a business, you can't have a Gmail account sending to a Gmail account. That's basically going to be for friends. So when you're running a business, say for instance you're running an internet marketing company or an affiliate marketing company, you have to have a business email, and with that business email you have to be DKIM and DMARC verified. This sounds very daunting to people that don't know how to do it, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I use Aweber. There's certain things that you can do with Gmail, GetResponse, but you know, I don't use GetResponse. This is for people that use Aweber out there. I prefer using Aweber because it is a lot easier for me to use. I find it very user friendly and it's very much drag and drop. I know people will probably say GetResponse is just the same, but I just prefer Aweber. So everyone has their own preferences, but that's the way the world goes. I'm gonna bring up the website now. So I'm a part of the Home Business Academy, and with the Home Business Academy they talk about like emails going into spam and updating your DNS records for the business email. Now I've gone into this and they've showed you how to set up your DKIM, your SPF and your DMARC. I'm going to show you this. This is all to do with GetResponse on this video here. They don't have one for Aweber, but I'm just about to give you one for Aweber. Now, many of you have already got a business account. If you don't have a business account, in HBA back office they do have their own hosting company, and which is like the HBA domains.com. They have domain names in there that you can purchase for quite cheap, and they have the email as well, the business email that you can buy to go with that. Now it doesn't cost a lot and I just find it's absolutely brilliant. You have unlimited space on there. It's just easy to have it all in one place. But I already had a few domain names with 123reg, so I'm going to be going into the back office of 123reg. So I'm just going to show you now. When you go into Aweber, let's go down here. So we go into list settings. I'm just going to go into manage email addresses. So you're going to see that I have a few email addresses already been verified. So the DKIM has been set on, and you know it's got the DMARC as well, and you can see that kevinebsworth.com admin at kevinebsworth.com or kevin at kevinebsworth.com needs to be done. So I'm going to show you here as well. We've got the instant breakthrough system. Okay, so this here needs to have the DKIM put into it. Okay, so it's been verified. This email has been verified, but let's just go into setup instructions here. So this is showing you exactly what you need to do. So everything in red, don't think of it as being red as in danger, or you know it's not good, but it's just showing you what you need to do. It's telling you step by step on how to do this. So if I head over to 123reg and I go into the instant breakthrough system, click on DNS. So now I'm going into the back office. What you're going to see here is like all this mumbo jumbo with the root records and all this. So what we need to do is go into add new record. Okay, so we go back into Aweber. It tells you the type, CNAME. So we go back into here and we click and scroll down. Now if you've got HBA, it's virtually the same, it's just a different company that I'm using. And then you copy. So if you click here, it says click to copy, so it copies it to your clipboard, and then you right click and paste it in the name. Okay, so now you've done the host name, the value, you click to copy, and the value you click, you right click and you paste exactly there. Okay, so once you've done that, you click save. Yes, I want to save this. So once it does that, that's the first record done. Now Aweber wants you to verify yourself 3 times. Now the reason why it does this is it makes it extra secure. So if we go back into CNAME, right click and we paste what I've just copied, and then we go back and then we copy this one. Now why does it look similar? That's because they've slightly changed it to help verify who you are. So they've got A, B and C. So obviously we're going to be setting up the third one. So yep, this is going to be done. So it's updating there. So we're going to add another new file. CNAME. I've copied. Now I'm going to paste that code in there. I'm going to go back to this one here. So I've copied it again. Right click and paste that in there, and then click save. So now that's all set up. So you can see the CNAME for the Aweber is in there. Okay, so now that's all done. We refresh this and now you can see it's all installed. So that's the DKIM done. The next bit that you need to do is you need to now do the DMARC. So now that's showing verified. Okay, but to make it extra secure, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So you need to head over. I'm going to log out of this so you can see exactly where you need to go to. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, go to home page. I'm going to drop the link to this below the video. So you need to go to easydmarc.com. So that's easydmarc.com. Okay. Once you go in there, you can go into login. So I'm going to log in using my Gmail account. Now I'm going to take the domain name, Instant Breakthrough Method. So if we go back, the Instant Breakthrough System, there's me getting trigger happy. I'll copy that. Now we're going into DMARC. So on the right hand side you'll see a load of menus here. So if you go onto Tools, you can see there's a little arrow here. Click on it and then click on DMARC. So paste in your domain name and then you can check DMARC. We couldn't find a DMARC domain, blah 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 blah. Okay, so what you then need to do is up here is generate a DMARC. Okay, so what you need to do, instead of clicking on none, you need to click on quarantine, go straight down to subdomain and then put quarantine, and the next two you need to put strict. So once you've done that, you then click generate. So it's now generated this code. So what you need to copy now, so this is telling you exactly what you need to do. Yeah, you go into here and you add new record. Okay, so you add new record. So here we go. You need to add in a text. So copy in this. Make sure you copy from the underscore right up to the C. Ignore the dot. Choose option and click text. Now you put in the name DMARC. And then after that you click on this one here, which is copied. and go straight into the value and click paste and then click save. Now that's showing that it's updated, so that's extra stuff that we've put in there for you. So if we click on to the DMARC, we check, so you can see it's already stating there that it's in quarantine, so we're going to check it. So it's active. So it's telling you, you don't need to panic on these. So these warnings here are just telling you that anybody that comes onto your domain name and takes your domain name and then sends messages from your domain name to anybody else's emails, it's going to go straight into spam or not even be sent at all. So this here is just showing you exactly what we've done. So the text is probably on the second page here. There we go. All done. So that's it, guys. That is it. So let me just bring this back up. Oh. Here we go. So now you can see how to get your emails verified on Aweber. And with this, you're going to be able to send emails and it should land either in the inbox or the promotion folders if it's on Gmail. If you really want to go to town and make sure that your emails always hit the inbox, just make sure you never repeat words, you don't make letters bold in there or anything like this, or put hyphens, anything like that. Just keep it very, very simple. Simple text, make sure you spell everything correctly, the links work, and then you'll be on your way. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you followed this very simple step-by-step method showing you how to get your emails to be verified, ready for when Yahoo and Gmail decide to, ramp up the securities on this. So thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.